ekikujunanizibwa mutindo gw'emibazi mu ihanga ekya National Drug Authority bakwatanise na polisi district ya Soroti. Eki bakikozire bwanyuma y'okutunga okumanyisibwa ngu haine edduuka erikuguza omubazi gw'ekigingirire ogurikumanya nka One Power Knock.
In a drug shop, an agrochemical shop called Achila. This was an operation which was intelligence-led, and the intelligence showed us that the agrochemical shop was also selling illegally vet medicines. So when we entered the shop, a group of NDA officers and the police, both NDA enforcement officers from head office and the police from the city, we found agrochemical shop selling vet medicines.
Aba omukuchondoza ambazo gwa One Power Knock batandikira omuduuka erikumanywa nka Asira Enterprises Limited omutawuni ya Soroti ayi bashangira obucupa bwa size za mils 30 hamwe na mils 200 kandi aha bakwatireho abantu bana abaine bakora emirimo y'emibazi bataine bukugu kandi aba barimu ahabw'okugingirira baine akora nka manager Mugwa Patrick, Apollo Harriet, hamwe na Apejo Joshua. Aujo Emmanuel ow'ekitongole eki nagira ngu n'embera iba baine bagurizamu emibazi ebeire rimbi munonga abokushanga ngu babaine bagaita emibazi y'okufuhirira ha misiri erimu obutwa hamwe n'egy'emibazi ey'enyamaishwa ekitari kwikizibwa kandi otaireho n'okuguza abataine bihandiiko.
They were selling animal medicine mixed with agrochemicals. You cannot mix animal medicine with agrochemicals because agrochemicals are very, very poisonous. When these animal medicines are mixed with agrochemicals, they will destroy the animal when we give them to the animals.
Abana bwanyuma beyongeire mu maka ga Okriri Samuel akyaro kya Gweri orukugamba kuba nakora omubazi ogu konko ogu abaze kunga bakwata abandi bantu babira babaine akora nabo.
It was visited by NDA officers. It is somebody's home. A very, very dirty smelling environment is being used to manufacture this. It is packed in these white containers, but when you see the utensils that they have used for manufacturing this medicine, you cannot give your chicken, you cannot give your goat, you cannot give your pig or your cow. Please, the public, we are warning you, do not destroy your animals using this medicine.
Business community, when you are dealing with essential products like drugs for humans and animals, even crops, you must deal in products that are genuine, that are registered with the National Drug Authority. And then two, the persons that will be executing this.
Tukei Robert umugamzi wa polisi omutange kya East Choga yahamye okukwatwa kw'abantu aba kandi yagira ngo bwahati bakumirwa ha polisi ya Soroti.
An operation is ongoing in the region of East Kyoga and specifically within and around Soroti city. Under case 1 of SD reference 54/13/10/203, 4 suspects have been arrested to help the police with the investigation, who all happen to be employees or rather agents of Achila Enterprises.
Tukei yayongera ajumirire cy'abantu okwejumbira mu bikorwa nkebi ari kugira ngo abakwatirwe baza kubetso kureberaho abandi.
To people who are outside there, they should not carry out businesses illegally. They are free to consult relevant authorities before one risks investing where he's going to put his money, and at the end of the day the business when
okutondoza nikugumizamu obo bari kwiga okuril samwe otorokire mu kikwekwete eki bokusize embazi ezingirire ziri kurenga 12 nizo zikwatirwe bakuraga gashakwa Olivia na Sasira aba Sky TV Agenshong.